Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And I have, I've been having a lot of fun with some holiday things, sharing a lot of beauty hauls and gift ideas and whatnot. And today I have one of these videos that I bought it so you don't have to unless you want to, but I got 3 mystery bags from Ipsy. And these are glam bags. They had a sale where they offered all 3 for a discount price. So I think I'm trying to think how much. Let's see. There's normally $16 a piece. And I got them for $36, I believe. So I think that means the third one would have been $4. That's it for what I'm sharing today. So let's just get started. Okay, friends, I want to thank you for being here. I appreciate your support. Thank you to my subscribers. If you'd like to subscribe, help me get to 1,000 followers quickly, I would appreciate that. You can subscribe, hit the like button, do those things to support my channel if you wish. And so now let's just get to the first bag here. The first one I have, they're all holiday bags. This is the black with gold and kind of diamond, crystal, whatever. It's got the zip pull like this. They send all these to me with the stuff out of the bag. So here's all the stuff that came in it. Now these also, a lot of times the gift glam bags just have 5 items, but these all have 6 items, the ones I got. Okay, so the first thing I have in this bag, it's from Voss. It's called Blushing Beauty. So I'm assuming this is a blush. And let's open it up and see what the case looks like. And okay, so it looks more like a highlighter to me than a blush. It's kind of a peachy, but it almost looks golden. Anyway, okay, so this is what mystery bags are all about. They slough off things that they can't sell or get rid of otherwise. But anyway, whatever. That's the first thing. The second thing I'm pulling out here is this is from Kish and Smeek. Oh, I love this stuff. In fact, I bought a bunch of these. One of the reasons why I didn't mind getting these bags now is because I'm putting together little bags like this for all my friends and friends and sisters and stuff. So anyway, so it's fun getting a lot of stuff that I can put in these bags. But this one's a red one, Kish and Schmink. I love the pink one, but these lip glosses are ones I really like. So there's that. Like I said, it will probably go in a bag, a gift bag. So there's a second thing, like that one. Then I got something from Kopari. This is a body butter, and it is Ultra Restore body butter. So that's not a bad item to get in here. I don't know if it's sealed. Yep, it's sealed. So I'll keep it sealed. So, you know, there's 2 things right there that I could put in one of these bags and add like a couple more items and make a fun little gift bag. The next thing I have in here is from Laurens, Laurens. And this is, don't know what it is. Let's see. Vanilla Almond body scrub. So this is a body scrub, vanilla almond. So that's also another fun thing that I could put in one of these bags. And 2 more items here. And this one is from Neogen, and it is a advanced eye cream. Okay, I've heard of this brand, haven't really seen this product, but it looks decent. It's good size for a eye cream. Then from Keys Soul Care, I have a Let Me Glow Illuminating Serum. So I really like Keys skincare, Alicia Keys. Anyway, so this is just illuminating serum. Small, but kind of fun. So anyway, there's that. So I got the bag and I got the serum, the eye cream, the shower, what is this? Body scrub, the Kiss and Schmink red lip, the Kobari Ultra Body Butter, and the blushing, the little blush or highlight. So anyway, that's my first bag. And so we're going to go to the next bag here. And this one has something big in it. It looks like a big palette of some kind. Again, we got 6 items. And the first item I'm going to share, oh well, let me look at the bag real quick. Okay, it's just got pearls on it. It's kind of just a creamy color and just got the pearl pull, so it's really pretty soft bag. And inside we have, the first thing we have in here is from Highlash, and this is a mascara, just a small sample of a mascara. The next thing I have here is Everyday Vacay from Ciate. Okay, it's a hydrating and soothing primer. So there's that. The next thing I have here is Heat Deluxe Heat Defense Serum. This is it's from Silky. It's for your hair. It's just for heat defense. The next thing I have in here is Femu, Femmue, and this is a Ideal Intense Eye Cream. So another eye cream. Kind of a little bit underwhelmed here, but that's why I say I buy it so you don't have to. The last one I believe was better, but anyway, this is a mineral serum from Nina Beauty right there, serum. The last thing we have is a palette of some kind. Hoping this makes up for some of the underwhelming. This is a Pear Nova eyeshadow palette. Now I think I have had this one, if I'm thinking correctly. This might be a fun thing to put in one of the bags for a friend. Yeah, it's kind of a fun little palette for just a little glam bag. So there's that. It's got kind of neutrals and pinks, it looks like, right there. Get a better look at it. So anyway, so that kind of makes up for some of this. I mean, you've got the eyeshadow palette and the mascara that kind of can go together. You've got a serum, an eye serum, a primer, and the hair defense. So anyway, that's bag number 2. Let's see if this will all fit in the bag. I don't know, that eyeshadow palette takes up a lot of space. So anyway, so there's bag number 2. Now we're going to hit the third bag here. And this bag it's got a little lavender envelope. It's an envelope bag with gold. It's got the gold. There we go. It's kind of a textured, nice little little bag here. So the first thing I have in here is from Ren Skincare. This is a really good product. Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. So it's It's a glow lotion tonic. I guess it's some kind of a toner. It's a cute little bottle. Like the bottle, it's heavy. So anyway, there's that. 92%. Your skin looks brighter, so it'll make your skin brighter. I like that, actually. I like that product. So that's the first thing. The next thing I have in here is from Verify. This is self-absorbed facial moisturizer. So I think this is a good product too. I think I've had that or seen that. That's good. Then I have from Sakhajwan hair repair treatment. It's just a hair mask, cute little bottle. I think that bottle's really cute. It stands up on the lid. So there's the third thing. The fourth thing I have here is from Earth Harbor, and it is marine. This one says a marina. A lot of their serums have marine in it. It's a brightening serum of some kind. Anyway, glow recipe. So I've actually seen this. I haven't used this one, but I'm excited about this too. I really actually like Earth Harbor's, some of their serums and stuff. I love their neck cream. I use their neck cream. And then, so the fifth thing I have here looks like a lipstick. I'm not going to open it because it's sealed, but it says Dear Midnight at ALLURE, from Dear Midnight. There it is. It's a color changing lip balm. Okay, so color changing lip balm. Okay, that's fun. That would be fun to go in one of my bags too. And the last thing I have here is from Vintage, and this is, I can't tell if it's lip or eyes. Okay, so this is just Vintage. This is just a lip product. I really like it. I like the color. Anyway, so there's that. So we've got 6 items here. The Ren, some of these products are good products here. So there's another 6 products that all go in this cute bag right here. And so if you decide to order these, I don't know if they're always the same, but pretty much the same or similar. It was fun to get 6 items instead of 5. And these would make fun gifts for people. So I've got the 3 glasses off. Okay, so I got the 3 bags right here. This kind of fun gifts. I will use some of these to help make up the gift bags I'm going to give out to friends and family. So anyway, that's it. Let me know what you think. Did you guys purchase anything from the Ipsy shop? If so, let me know. And anyway, so that's it for this one video. And I will see you guys all in the next one. Thanks for being here. All right, friends. Bye-bye.